Hey, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another fresh new video, and today in this video, of course, as you can see, I got the Redmi K20 Pro. This is the pearl white color variant, and let me unbox it in today's video. So without further wasting any more time, here is the box, and I gotta say the box does feel a little bit premium. And over here, as you can see, here it's written flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. So I'm pretty excited about unboxing this device. To the sides you can see Redmi K20 Pro branding over here, and to the back we have the specs over here. Again, Snapdragon 855, 48 megapixel IMX586, and then we have a 20 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, and we have a AMOLED display, like full screen AMOLED display we have over here, and both sides are covered with Gorilla Glass 5. And you can see from here that this device does support 27-watt fast charging, but you gotta buy that charger separately. So in the box you get only a 18-watt charger, I guess. So let me cut this box open and let me start from here. Let's put the knife aside. So first thing you get is the leaflets and stuff, and here we have the device. I'll put the box to the side and I'll try to show you guys what's in this stuff over here. So of course we have some paperwork over here, warranty cards and user manuals and stuff, I guess. So I'll just put these aside too, and we get a case over here. As you can see, this is a black case, not a white one, even though this is the pearl white color variant. Not quite soft but rubbery feeling case over here, so I'll put it aside too. And we have a SIM ejector tool. You can use that if you are putting the SIM card in and stuff like that. So let me put this paperwork aside. Now let's get into the device. So here is the device, and you can see the back side has a plastic cover too, and even the front side has a cover. So I'll just power it on, and the device feels solid in the hand. Now let me peel the plastic off. Let's put these things aside. So everything is unwrapped over here. The color, I gotta say, it looks amazing to the rear side. And let me pull this plastic or sticker off too. And I'm saying it again, this white color variant looks really gorgeous to me, at least. Let's put the device in the case and let's see how is the fit and finish over here. So the camera bump, as you can see, it's quite less when compared to the Redmi Note 7 Pro's camera bump. And I would say, yeah, it does protect it a little bit, not it has some kind of hump or something, but it will protect a little bit. Now while it's checking for updates and stuff, let me show you what else is inside the box, what else things we get over here. We have some weird paper over here. Then we get the charger, and I hope this is the 18-watt charger. Let me show you. So the output you can see is 3 amperes at 9 volts. Then we have 2 amperes at 12 volts. And there is the 1.5 amp. And so yeah, I think this is the 18-watt default charger we get in the box. And of course, we get a normal USB to USB-A to the Type-C cable. Nothing new over here. And if I start comparing it with the Redmi Note 7 Pro's camera hump, you can see the Redmi Note 7 Pro has a lot beveled camera hump, whereas the Redmi K20 Pro does not have that much beveled camera hump, but it does pop up a little bit. And here of course we have the 48 megapixel sensor, then we have the wide angle 13 megapixel sensor, and then we have the 8 megapixel telephoto lens, I guess. and then we have the flash, and over here it shows designed by Xiaomi, Redmi. So this is a Redmi brand phone over here, and on top we get the headphone jack, which we do not get in the flagships, and this is the first ever flagship phone that I will use, and like that's kind of how it is. And we have the secondary mic over here, I guess. Then we have the pop-up camera up top, and the sides are like totally made out of like metal frame, and it has kind of gold finish over here to the sides. Then we have the buttons, and the buttons, like already I can say these are like one of the best kind of feeling buttons that I have ever tested. The buttons does feel like a lot more solid, and overall the build quality over here I would say is like fairly premium. And on the bottom of the device we have the SIM tray, and we have the type C like port. Then we have the primary mic and the speaker as well. And to the left side it's clean, there is nothing on the left side of the phone. They say there are no ads, but I'm getting this get apps from your new phone stuff. I'll just skip it. So we have an update already over here. Let me increase the brightness a little bit. The screen in my opinion looks kind of one of the best looking screens already that I can pretty much say, just because it is like AMOLED display and the colors are really amazing, but it has a little bit of yellow tint which I'll try to like change from the settings. And we have a like 446 MB update over here, and this full screen display looks really awesome. Let's fire up the camera, not the music app, and if I like put a same kind of angle, let me show you how it shows. It's 1x, 2x, and then 0.6x. So as you can see the differences with like 48 megapixel camera and the ultra wide camera over here. It is a lot more wide, as you can see on the Redmi K20 Pro on the left side. And here is the in-display fingerprint scanner speed. Not bad. It's like if you're moving from this kind of fingerprint scanners where you just tap and unlock, and you're tapping your thumb over here, this might be a little bit annoying. Sometimes it shows try again and stuff if your finger is like placed sideways, but yeah, you have to get used to it with the on-screen fingerprint scanners. And by default we have the Poco launcher surprisingly over here, so you have those features like double tap to sleep anywhere on the home screen and stuff, so it feels really good. And we have the app drawer and stuff, so the UI already feels pretty smooth over here. And I have to install the software update too. So this white colored variant has the blue LED on the like pop-up camera over here, not the red one. So I'll just use this device for a couple of days, and of course you may see custom ROM videos on this device too. So let's hope for the best. Thank you so much for watching guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this unboxing, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from K20 Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.